When it comes to upgrading your home, few improvements make as big an impact as a new door. Whether you're replacing an old entryway or installing a stylish patio door, professional installation ensures your investment adds beauty, efficiency, and value to your Melville home. While DIY projects might seem tempting, trusting the job to experts provides long-term benefits that go far beyond convenience. Guaranteed proper fit and function doors are more complex than they appear. They must align perfectly within their frame to swing smoothly, latch securely, and seal tightly. A professional installer takes precise measurements and ensures your door is level, plumb, and properly anchored. Even slight misalignments can cause drafts, uneven wear, or security issues. By hiring a professional, you eliminate the guesswork and ensure flawless operation from day one. Professionals in Melville are also familiar with the region's climate, including seasonal humidity and temperature shifts that affect door materials. They'll select and install your door to withstand these conditions, minimizing warping or sticking over time. Enhanced energy efficiency. A professionally installed door is one of the easiest ways to improve your home's energy efficiency. Doors that don't seal properly allow drafts to enter and air conditioning or heat to escape, increasing your energy bills. Professional installers use advanced weather stripping techniques and insulation methods to ensure a tight, energy-efficient seal. This efficiency is especially important for Melville homeowners, where fluctuating weather patterns can cause temperature extremes throughout the year. With a well-installed, energy-efficient door, your home remains more comfortable while reducing strain on your HVAC system and lowering your energy costs. Increased home security. Your doors are one of the most critical points of security in your home. A poorly installed door, no matter how strong or expensive, can compromise your safety. Professional installers use reinforced frames, proper hardware, and secure locking mechanisms that meet or exceed modern security standards. Experts understand how to anchor the frame correctly and align hinges and locks for maximum strength. Many installation specialists also offer upgraded security features, like multi-point locking systems or impact-resistant glass panels, perfect for homeowners who value both aesthetics and safety. Improved curb appeal and property value. A new door does more than function well, it transforms your home's appearance. From sleek modern designs to traditional wood finishes, a professional installer ensures your new door complements your home's architecture and exterior style. In Melville's competitive real estate market, curb appeal matters. A professionally installed door enhances first impressions and adds resale value. Potential buyers notice quality craftsmanship and energy-efficient upgrades, making your home more desirable if you ever decide to sell. Expert recommendations and customization. Every home is unique, and professionals understand how to match the right door to your space, budget, and preferences. They can recommend the best materials, such as fiberglass for durability, steel for security, or wood for classic elegance, and explain the benefits of each. They also handle custom designs, finishes, and glass inserts that align with your personal taste and home's aesthetic. In Melville, where architectural styles range from contemporary to colonial, customization can make all the difference in creating a cohesive and stylish look. Warranty protection and peace of mind. Most professional installers offer workmanship warranties that protect you from potential issues down the line. Many manufacturers also require professional installation to maintain their product warranties. By hiring a qualified expert, you protect your investment and ensure that if something goes wrong, repairs or replacements are covered. More importantly, professional installation offers peace of mind. You can trust that your door will perform as intended, providing lasting durability, beauty, and safety for years to come. Final thoughts. Professional door installation in Melville isn't just about convenience. It's about protecting your home, saving energy, and enhancing your property's value. From ensuring a perfect fit to improving security and curb appeal, the benefits far outweigh the costs. When you hire a trusted local installer, you gain confidence knowing your new door will look great, function flawlessly, and stand up to Melville's demanding conditions for years to come.